Good morning everyone, this is Iosif, analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 19th of April. May defeated in the House of Lords. The House of Lords voted against the main part of PM May's Brexit policy with a majority difference larger than 100 votes. Despite the vote not being binding, the heavy defeat of the government could be interpreted as a strengthening of the soft Brexit side and possible further defeats for the Prime Minister may lay ahead. On other news, the first day of the Brexit negotiations ended with little progress as British negotiators received EU guidelines for the after-Brexit EU-UK relationships. Should there be further negative headlines about Brexit or the inner UK political stage, we could see the pound weakening. Cable dropped considerably yesterday, testing the 1.4168 support level as the market was taken by surprise by the adverse UK inflation data. We see the case for the pair to continue to drop, albeit in a slower pace as political uncertainty continues, and the retail sales growth rate released later on today could weaken the pound. Should the bears continue to have the upper hand, we could see the pair breaking the 1.4168 support level and aim for the 1.4095 support barrier. Should the bulls have the upper hand, we could see the pair aiming or even breaching the 1.4345 resistance level. BOC decided to remain on hold at plus 1.25%. BOC decided to remain on hold at plus 1.25% with an accompanying statement which rather disappointed the hawks. The accompanying statement stated that progress on inflation and the wages could reinforce that higher rates will be needed over time. On the other hand, it also stated that policy accommodation will still be needed to keep inflation on target and that BOC will be cautious with respect to future hikes. We see the case for the CAD to be rather sensitive to headlines which may come out later today regarding NAFTA, but also to the inflation data on Friday. Overall, a correction to yesterday's USD CAD surge may also happen. USD CAD spiked yesterday after BOC's interest rate decision, breaking the 1.2610 resistance line, now turned to support. We see the case for the pair to correct somewhat as the CAD recovers from BOC's decision. Also, the release of Canada's inflation and retail sales data tomorrow could support the CAD somewhat, and the market could start positioning itself today. Should the pair come under selling interest, we could see the pair breaking the 1.2610 support line and aim for the 1.2485 support level. Should it find new buying orders along its path, we could see it aiming for the 1.2715 resistance level. In today's other economic highlights, during today's European session, we get the Eurozone's current account figure for February, the UK retail sales growth rate for March, and in the American session, we get the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index for April and the initial jobless claims figure. As for speakers, FOMC members Lyle Brainerd and Randall Quarles, as well as Bank of England MPC member John Cunliffe speak. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Iosif from IronFX wishing you solid trading.